Mimamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So now quickly, Kennedy Japan eden sembi aba betuja wakasaye ewo netu. Na asema wakano, I know say we obia you've been listening to me for some time now. Obehune say enya surprise because Endra may the breaking news be ebremo. Now, answer ne beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no and no any that screen so see we ya sa latest news biaba. Onsa ebeka. Now, quickly, young consem nimo. Na asem na meka na me de besi Endra breaking news na me de bremo no. Canada Japan akoka ewo netu se Ghana excavators ayaka se ayera no. A diversion of attention because we know Kennedy Japan he has recordings, he has evidence to show. Say say Interministerial Committee Against Illegal Mining. Sa Operation Vanguard any Gallant Stop Soldiers no. Womo eko seize excavators no enya excavators pe na womo seize ye. Womo seize gold eka ho. Now let me explain how and why they seized gold. Once sa Gallant say adiewe ana Interministerial Committee Against Illegal Mining ni. Womo ana womo tu galamsey womo ana womo tu gold ewa asase na se a womo say asase no without proper licensing no womo ene ye kokoche womo. Now so woko mining site a wo bi abetrel say gold ye tu a enye say ye di free ho na ye di free mining site ho eye a womo kipi ewo vault ana womo si edan bi ma eye mining site no na eho no ye kipi gold no ewo inti sa soldier for yi eco mining site or eco seize gold na eco seize excavators na omu wi anormal boyra baby a sa mining site wo mo store gold na wo mo tu ye and gold na wo mo etu for some time no na wo mo seize za gold ni so nti Kennedy Japan de asema betudwa say gold na wo mo seize ni na no eno nso ayera just like the excavators na gold na ayera no ewo se eno na yehwem because gold no na enu monsika ewo msin excavator no wo se o share the kilograms of gold that have actually been seized and there wo mo hwehwe gold no mu hu bebi a gold na fa na trese wo bi ehya ase na wa sheda afa gold no se wakoton se wakoye ne den ba wa sheda de asem na be she excavators ne pe na trese Ghana fo nka excavators na asamwa maye nko echi enko hu ne se dabi enye excavators pe na seize ye na gold enso eka ho the anti-American say mo tie this for the very first time you not be surprised from the breaking news I brought to you yesterday no any and that the breaking news bremo etremo say a branch here and an MPP for former vice chairman of the central region I friend Ekowusi na say Ekowusi and a minister washa sa galamsey so so say eto entwa no or no minister of environment your friend the Professor Frimpong Boateng wono no tron krata ema police for say police for enchi Ekowusi na enamono ne so ena excavators yi ayera na Ekowusi so atron krata akoma BNI for say womo so enchi minister no because sa excavators ye koko seize wo site no ye seize gold kan ho na so gold no minister no ema ye de corner office munti asem ni ye Ekowusi be release sansem no ema BNI no Ekowusi satan no na Kennedy Japan enyamba mbeka saye but Ekowusi ma yeti ase say minister no waji gold seize gold kan ho na nya excavators pe na excavators ne de wodema wono Ekowusi ne say won fa nkoko places bi ema aban no ba gold no wan fa mo no Ekowusi gold no minister nankasa jesa gold na wo seize ye no but and the Kennedy Japan ba bonti abeka say gold nso ayera inti say ye de Ekowusi nsema wa trakoma BNI no ye de eno ene Kennedy Japan dia ende amene wo ka say wa ba bonti abeka no ye de bomu a then it tells you the direction of where we are going to. Not say Ekowusi say minister no nema ye de gold no eba ne office. Na Kennedy Japan so can say gold na ye seize ye na ayera. Not say indirectly the yata say ye can by inference and say minister no ena ne nsa hye gold na say munti asem ye. Not say minister no na ne nsa hye gold ayera yes ye ko seize excavators ye seize gold eka ho no minister na nsa hye ase enti Kennedy Japan die was say sisi a wɔka say wo breaking news no because wɔn pɛ sɛ NDC foɔ bɛkɔ akyi akɔte saa nsɛm ne nya recording no na wɔn de abɛgu NPP anim ase because NDC foɔ nsa kɔka wɔn no evidence and recording na wɔn no Kennedy Japan wa they will not come and attack the minister, they will attack Akufo-Addo. Incha no Kennedy Japan wo di kan aba abonten abɛka no na wo kan share president Akufo-Addo say one free minister no sisi a eye professor Frimpong Boateng no one free ni sisi a no mbo na mane ana won bisa no say hey excavators a wo sizi e wo sizi gold kan gold no wan won bisa ne bebi a gold no ewo so wa to radio so wa ye dey won bisa ne bebi a gold no wo ansa na asem na sanso abeda ne kese ye ne anim se ne excavator nsemi ekọ ewo Ghana ha se wo bi ehun se da bi kata hyehye ene proye bi ewom wo bia ehun se kata hyehye ene proye akoso wo sa excavator nsensem ni mechi se gold nso hyase a wo minister no according to ekowusi letter wotro koma BNI for say enu hunti yankongochi minister na yenye investigation no wosi minister no edge gold na ye CZ nia no ekọ ne office ntiende sa gold na yera minister yesrel. A lot of issues are now coming up on Professor Frimpong Boateng. Now it will tell you ngofo bebre eka say for them they are actually shocked because at least na Professor Frimpong Boateng wo yo bia na Ghana for eni dane so ansa na wo beba bedane minister no Ghana for e boy dimpa ye boni dinka ho because wa kosko edu echi enti esusu se obi a wa kosko edu echi no so wo ba na wo de ne ho e be wura politics mo a wo mo no mbeboa na Ghana politics no ho ate not knowing system ne kra from what we are hearing the system ne kra a corrupt or no. Because yet again, a report I was hearing today from City FM Katra say, Sansema wamo kan say nebanso ewa concession bino eyenekre. Natie. There is this link. Last week I brought you a story exclusively. Say yesin ne baby your friend Jojo. Ono etu galamse kesiye ewa adansi south nwura bimu kwa ye bimu wo tu gold enye gold ketwa. Now, that was the story I'm catching say will be at the your friend saying pictures ne nyama of Nebano wo to galamse ne krobo say Nebano to go no be the abetreme but I can't verify. The next day and I Kennedy Japan be verify mine and I say okay say Kennedy Japan I verify and after say there's a little bit of truth in the story. Endra ekowusi e December abonte beka say BNI for no say wo mo sanso ebisa minister na about the gold adia wo mo sanso embisa ne biom ene say company bi ye friend Symphony Limited. Sa Symphony Limited no ye hwehwemu ne hu ne say what is the link between no minister no sa Symphony Limited say omo yankofobia wo mu tu galamse kese pa o. What is the link between sa Symphony Limited no and the new minister na ye hwe se won no be magalamse ejai no na ende reporter say me America metie for City FM no wo mo say Symphony Limited no wo ko hwe sa company na ni pakra ya register ni din e wo company nim no e minister we neba ye friend Jojo no. So you see how the stories are actually falling in place one. And aside all these things, no, what's the politics no? Where sisi anu Ghana, baby aya ye kodu no. As a politics no, unhu say A, e was so can say B. In some way, nia beba bonte no, MPP for so akoye press conference. Ka say no, the ministers the ministers something is intact, credibility is intact. That I said the AC niano, womu de womu hu ne say minister ni dia sen ya na womu de womu hu ne say minister no were corrupt. Mami, come on. Matters coming from every angle, even from your own Kennedy Japan. Our can anas and some mujidi and then they will come on muni pass and more than mubejedi. Hey! Anyway, that's the story coming through. So Kennedy Japan is saying, say aside excavators no gold raya. Now one no dear when him say gold na raya na krano sa sika no ana gold na raya no a dozen saying excavators no see say ye ton gold no benya sika kre film si excavators no say ya sheda na ye ka excavators no ho asem adi excavators ikra wo bia ye say wo koton excavator say excavators na 254 pe na enye 500 minister na nkasa ni nipa woni ni ye ejuma kra ba bontia be ka say o sa 500 number na minister ne be kan no na exaggeration international say ni na ye ka excavators asem no na mo sizi gold nso wase a gold no ayera eno de na mo pese mo be boso Ghana untre mo adwen etiefo me da say